How to get refund on Pandabuy. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application from your PC and at the top search bar type in www.pandabuy.com. Now in order to get a refund, first of all you have to cancel your order. Click onto your profile and then go on to User Center. As you do so, go on to the Order tab and select the product that you would like to cancel. Check the box just beside the order, then you will see Cancel Order at the end of the table. Simply tap on Cancel Order, and at this pop-up, give any reason for your cancellation, then tap on Confirm on your bottom page. And once you have successfully cancelled your order, the refund will be here on your Pandabuy account balance. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.